Today we will do exercise 1.2 question number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. First one is 12, 15 and 21. So you have to apply here the prime factorization method. First we have to factorize this. So you have to use the least prime factor. 2 is possible here. 6, again 2 is possible. 3. Now 3 is divisible by 3, like this. For 15, 3 is possible, 2 is not possible. 5, 5, 1. For 21 also, 3 is the least prime factor. 7, now 7 is divisible by 7. Therefore, we can write 12 as 2 into 3 into 1. This is not necessary to write 1. Then 2 is repeating 2 times, so we can write like this: 2 power 2 into 3 into 1. 15 we can write as 3 into 5 into 1. Nothing is repeating, so let it be as it is: 3 into 7 into 1. Now HCF means highest common factor, so we are finding the HCF as the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. So here common is 2 is not common, 3 is common in both the 3 numbers, 3 is common in all the 3 numbers, and 1 is common, 5 is not common, and 7 is not common. We have to find the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. So here the smallest power, that is 1. 3 is common and this power is 1. Therefore 3 and 1. 3 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 3. And LCM. We are finding LCM. LCM is the product of the greatest power of each prime factors involved in the numbers. So you have to find here the greatest power of each prime factor. So here 2 raised to 2 and 3 is involved in each number, and the greatest power is 1. So 3, 5 and 7. 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 7, 6 7s are 42 and 420. Next, number 2, 17, 23 and 29. These 3 numbers are prime numbers. So we can write it, the factors, as 17 into 1. 17 and 1 are only the factors. 23 is 23 into 1. And 29 is 29 into 1. There is no other factors for these 3 numbers. Therefore, HCF equals, here only 1 is common. Therefore, 1. So HCF, to find the HCF, we have to find the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. Here the common prime factor is only 1 and the power is 1. Therefore HCF is 1. Now LCM. For finding LCM, we have to find the product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. Here the prime factors involved in the numbers are 17, 1, 23, 29 and 1. And their power is 1 only. Smallest power, and their power is highest power is 1. Therefore 17 into 23 into 29 into 1. Therefore the answer here, if when you multiply, you will get the answer as 11,339. If there is no other factors, that means if it is a prime number, then the HCF will be 1. Next one, 8, 9 and 25. 8, 2 is possible, 4, 2, again 2, 2, 1. 9, 3 is the possible prime number. 3 is divisible by 3. Next one, 25. 5 is possible. 5, 5, 1. Now we can write 8 as 8 into 8 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Here 2 is repeating 3 times, so we can write 2 power 3 into 1. 9 equals 3 into 3 into 1. 3 is repeating 2 times, so 3 raised to 2 into 1. 25 equals 5 into 5 into 1. 5 is repeating 2 times, 5 raised to 2 into 1. Now here HCF, highest common factor. Here 2 is not common, 3 is not common, and 5 is not common. Only 1 is common. So HCF is 1. HCF, how to find HCF? Product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. Here the common prime factor is only 1 and the smallest power is 1. Therefore HCF is 1. LCM. LCM equals the product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. So here 2 raised to 3. This is the highest, greatest power, and 3 is 3 raised to 2 and 5 is 5 raised to 2. So this will come 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. When you find the product, you will get the answer as 1800. Question number 4. Given HCF of 306 and 657 is 9. We have to find the LCM of these two numbers. So HCF is given, we have to find LCM. We know that HCF into LCM equals the product, which is equal to product of the two numbers. Here the first number equals 306 and second number equals 657. Now we know HCF is given, so we can put the numbers in this equation. HCF equals 9, so 9 into LCM, we don't know, that we need to find out. LCM equals product of two numbers, that is 306 into 657. We already verified this in question number 2. HCF into LCM equals the product of two numbers. Now LCM equals, from this we can find LCM equals 306 into 657 divided by 9. Now we can cancel this 9 and 306. So 306 divided by 9. 9 3s are 27 minus 10 minus 3, 10 minus 7, 3, 36. 9 4s are 36. So here it will come 34. Now 657 multiplied by 34. 4 7s are 28. 2 carry over. 4 5s are 20. 22. 2. 6 4s are 24. 25, 26. 3 7s are 21. 5 3s are 15. 16, 17. 3 6 are 18. 19. 8, 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 7, 13, 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 12, 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer is 22,338.